Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We got this in the Desert Titanium, and we're going to be unboxing it today. This is a little difficult to do though. Got it? Yeah, I got it. Here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a very nice Desert Titanium. It's a lot pinker in person, but I've always been a fan of the gold color, and this is like a nice saturated and pale at the same time. Very nice gold. Here it is on the sides. I like it. There's that haptic button. It's a tactical button actually, but it also has haptics. Yeah, very nice, very pleasing. Love it while it's pristine, and then it's gonna get a lot of scratches. Here's that peel. Beautiful. It's gonna stay like this for just a couple minutes. Get this out of here. Here we have the Type-C cable. Love it that they changed to Type-C. It's also braided, so it's very nice. You're not going to get damaged cords that quick. And then we also have some standard Apple paperwork, this time in an oval shape, which is cool. iPhone. eSIM. If you're in the US, you're limited to eSIM, and you'll suffer for being a United States member. Let me get the Apple stickers. Should not be in the box, but let's check. Give me a sec. Update everyone, there are no Apple stickers. So here's our iPhone fully set up and running as normal. I've heard some people run into bugs right from the setup with these phones, but fortunately that hasn't happened to me. There's also some talk that these new phones don't even launch with the Apple Intelligence features because they're all on later versions of iOS 18. And unfortunately, it does look like my launch model does not have later versions of iOS 18. It is on 18.0, meaning I do not get any of those cool Apple Intelligence features that they advertised. But anyway, here's how quickly the camera app launches after pushing the dedicated camera button, and it feels very nice and natural, contrary to other people's beliefs. Of course, I will be testing this further as I get to spend the weekend with it. Now, another thing is this Pro Max variant here also feels oddly wider in the hands. This might also be as well as me just sucking up to the 0.1mm growth on this phone this year, but after some further use, I will be able to tell you more. Alright, so fast forward 2 days and I have a lot to tell you guys about. First is, I've grown up and I am a very different man. Secondly, I've grown very used to the dedicated camera button. I'm not one who takes photos or videos so often with my phone. Actually, I would have preferred getting the basic 16 models this year strictly for how good their saturated colors were. However, like most people complains, I couldn't handle the 60Hz display and how sickly it felt. I swear the iPhone 4S 60Hz screen handled better than these. But yeah, the camera has never been a big thing for me, and I would have preferred a worse camera for a better phone. However, for quick moments where I need the camera to capture something, the dedicated button works better than the action button. It's got a bigger area to hit into, the tactical vibration is very satisfying, and I've gotten so used to just doing that over the 2 days while filming for this video, I actually keep reaching for it on my older 15 Pro Max. I really don't want to justify this purchase over that button. To most and many people, the move from 6.8mm display to a 6.9mm display won't feel like that big of a jump, and most certainly the thinner bezels won't help either, because the iPhone 15 Pro lineup still exists, and it's available to purchase on the secondhand market such as eBay. I highly recommend getting those instead of the 16s, but hey, new sealed unboxing will always feel superior to the standard cardboard and tape that eBay gives you. Here are some pictures and videos captured on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So closing out this video, I want to emphasize that this phone isn't for everyone, but it's still a very good phone for anyone who's been feeling to upgrade. If you or anyone you know who's big on taking photos, the dedicated camera button on this phone makes a very good point for itself because of just how useful and satisfying it has been. Let me know what you guys think. Will you be upgrading this year? Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future uploads, and I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Michael, and have a great rest of your day.